How to network effectively. Biggest question, one of the biggest questions I get when it comes to how do I move ahead in my industry, how do I move ahead as an expert in my career field, just in my life in general. How do I network? How do I get around people? How do I just start knowing more celebrities? How do I start knowing people who are at higher levels, CEOs and vice presidents, and just people who are really making things happen? Because fundamentally, we know that we are, and I'm sure you've heard, we are the 5 people that we surround ourselves with the most. We're the average of those people. So we naturally want to get around people who are at the next level where we're trying to go so we can make things happen. But how do we really do that? And that's the question I get a lot. And it really boils down to 2 things. And all you do is do these 2 things when it comes to networking. You're going to find yourself being in circles that's a lot different than the circles that you're in right now. 1, make sure that first of all you get from behind your computer. A lot of people who try to network, they try to do it from inside of their home, right? Trying to do it from behind your computer, your keyboard. And it's okay to network online and be in communities, Facebook groups and Instagram and GroupMe's and different things of that nature, because that's still a part of networking. But there's something magical. There's something that happens when you get around people and you face to face with them and you get a chance to feel their emotion, feel their heart, and they get to feel yours. They get a chance to see your face and know who you are. A lot of people remember faces. So when you get around people physically via conference or whatever venue, it's a lot more likely to make that bond stronger between the 2. When they really feel like they know you, which they can do that in person, then they're going to be willing to help you. You're going to be willing to support you. You're going to be willing to promote you. So how do you do that? That means you got to get out. That means you got to be at conferences. I want you looking at conferences locally, and I want you to look at conferences nationally and even internationally if you can. That means you're looking at different things. You're looking at networking events. Depending on what you want to do, you're going to banquets, you're going to parties, you're doing different things to where you getting around people, the type of people that you want to be around. And then once you get around them too, you got to make sure that you are able to provide some kind of value, because nobody likes to leech, right? We all hate those people who just come around, they just give me, right? They just want to take things from you. We want to be the type of person that when we go around somebody, we able to provide value. We able to help them. We able to see, okay, what you want? What are you working on right now? What do you need help with right now? What are your headaches right now? What's your problems right now? What are you trying to accomplish in 2018? What are you trying to accomplish next year? You have to be that type of person, because once you're able to provide value, they'll be like, you know what? Sarah got it. Matthew, he's a good dude. He's always helping. He helped me out with this one project. Matthew, what can I do for you? How can I help you? How can I introduce you into that person? How can I help get you this type of business? Right? So that's where we want to be. So it really just boils down to 2 things. So many people, when I talk to them, Terrell, how do I do it? How do I network? How do I get around people? It really just boils down to 2 things, and it's simple. Is that, a lot of life is about really just simple truths, to be honest. And this is no different. Simple. Get around people more physically. Online is good too, but get around people more physically. Conferences, anything that you can to get around the type of people that you want. Once you get around them, you have to be the type of person who is open to talking to people. Talk to them and get to know them. Really create a real bond and connection, and then also be able to provide some type of value to help them. All right, if you're able to do that, those 2, you're gonna find yourself opening a lot more doors, a lot more windows is gonna open for you, right? And all you gotta do is just step through it. All right, so hopefully you like this. If you did like this, subscribe. Write down what industry, what do you want to network for? If you want to become a better networker, be more effective, why? What do you want to be able to get and obtain? You never know. Even in the comments, everybody comment. You never know. You might be able to find a connection there and get out into the world and make things happen, right? So until next time, you continue to make each and every day more productive.